Hey you guys, I am just out here. I'm in Northwest Ohio. I'm in Zone 5. It's a beautiful day and I am going to transplant these chives here. You can see I've already got some in a pot. This one I might need to get something bigger for, and this one I definitely am going to have to get something bigger for. But this pot here is going to be just for peppers. And then I'm going to move all of these chives, at least this big hunk of chive right here. I might possibly give this away. But I'll show you where I'm going to move this stuff to. And what I'm going to do is I am just going to move this out of here. I'm going to let this soil kind of bake a little bit. I'm not going to put any more soil on it for probably a week or two. And I'm just going to let those roots kind of die out a little bit. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to add some of my own compost. This is my new trellis I got. I'm pretty excited about it. It was, I think, $14.99 at Collections, etc. And as we go along this summer, I will let you know how that works out for me. This area here, this is my side garden, just by the sidewalk here. And up here in the front of my house, I've got another segment, the side of the house, and then back in the back, you might be able to see those tomato bins that I planted, those little white onions. I've also got some lettuce going back there. I like to plant things in different areas, especially when I'm trying a new seed. So this is the front of my house here, and this is kind of what I call like the salad bowl up here. This is a bunch of spinach I started a couple weeks ago, and if you can see right here, there are already some chives here, but I have got some snow peas started that are going to grow up on this trellis. So once that is done, I want to condense, maybe over here in this corner, put that big chunk of, and they are garlic and onion chives mixed together. So I want to just sort of get that in that corner there, and they should be able to survive the summer well, because this part of the house, as you can see, it's probably about 3:30 right now. It has a lot of part shade. So I'm hoping that I am going to be able to grow a lot of lettuce and spinach, maybe a little bit into the hotter parts of the summer. Up to this point here, I just planted some more of those little tiny heads of lettuce. They have not come up yet, obviously. And the rest of this, I am going to save for a couple more weeks, because I do not want to plant everything at one time. I need to stagger this rotation of lettuce and spinach. I've got some pots up here, and we will be putting some tomatoes in that pot. This is my door here that I made with curly willow and just put those little birds. I got them from Michael's. It's pretty unique, and I've got these lights up here, so at night they sort of cast this beautiful shadows and different figures on it. It almost looks like it's a shadow box in the door. So stay with me and I will show you some more as we go along. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.